So in today's video I decided to do a very quick and simple summer makeup look and suitable for any event, or if you're going out with your friends, this is perfect. You can change up the lip color if you want. The combo of the eyes and the lips really went together. If you're interested on how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and primed my eyelids. I used the NYX Cosmetics HD Concealer and I set them down with Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder. Now for the eyes, I want to do something very bronzy and simple, because this is going to be like the perfect summer glowy bronzed makeup look. So I'm actually going to use the MAC Bronzing Powder. This is in the shade B36, I think. It's a warm matte bronzer, and I'm actually going to use this color to put in my crease, because I feel like bronzers are the perfect match for a transition color in the crease. So I'm going to take the Sigma tapered blending brush. This is the E40 one, and I'm going to blend this in my crease. Eyes today are going to be very simple, because I want to focus more on the lips in this look. So now I'm taking the Maybelline X Gigi Hadid eyeshadow palette. This has very nice neutral shades, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a champagne light gold shimmer color, and I'm going to take it on a flat brush. This is from Morphe. I'm going to place this all over my lid. Now to give the eyes more definition, to go ahead and do a wing liner, I'm going to use the NYX Epic Link liner. This is a pen liner. It's really precise and good to go off camera and do my winged liner, because it takes me a lot of time, and I'll be right back. So now moving on to the face, I'm taking this Zoeva strobe gel. It looks like this. I'm taking some of that, and I'm going to put it on the high points of my face, so like my cheekbones. I want this look to be very glowy. It gives a very nice glow to the face. I'm literally going to put this everywhere. So now for primer, I'm going to take this Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. This is from NYX, and I'm going to put this on my T-zone. It really mattifies the skin, as you can see. Although it feels very oily, like I don't like the feeling of it. Now for foundation, I'm taking the Dior Scare Star foundation. This has SPF 30 in it, which is really great for the summertime. It's very lightweight as well, and yeah, it's a really nice foundation, although the color is a little bit orange on me. You can really tell that it's very orange. As you can see, it gives a very nice, glowy, smooth, natural finish. Now for concealer, I'm going to take the NYX HD Concealer, the one I used to prime my eyelids with. To set my face, I'm going to take the Rimmel Match Perfection Silk Loose Powder, and I'm going to bake my under eyes with this. Brush away my bake now. To bronze up my face, I'm going to take that MAC bronzer, and I'm going to take the Morphe wine brush. For blush, I'm going to take the Benefit California blush. This is one of the most beautiful blushes of all time. In my opinion, it's screams summer. It's very beautiful. It's a very bright, corally pink. It's perfect for summer. So yeah, so I'm going to be using that today. Now for highlight today, I'm going to take the Revolution makeup strobe blacks palette. I have used this on my channel and it's really good. And I'm going to take the lightest shade right here. And I'm going to put a lot of this because I want this look to be very glowy and summery. I'm also going to be putting that in my inner corners and on my brow bone. So now I'm going to be lining my waterline with the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner. This is in the shade Honey Dude. It's a nude color. For lashes, I'm going to take the Queen Bee lashes from Coco Lashes. These are very huge and wispy and flirty. And I love these lashes. I really, really like them. Mascara, I'm going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now finally, for the most exciting part, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. It's in the shade American Doll. This is a very nice, beautiful red lipstick, and it's going to go amazing with this look. So yeah, that is the finished video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This is definitely going to be my summer go-to makeup look. I really, really like how this turned out. I usually don't wear winged liners, but I feel like if I didn't do any winged liners, it would have looked very weird because the eyes are very, very simple. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments down below, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!